to our channel, TechArena Learning Hub. Today we are going to talk about roadmap to become a top-notch data analyst. So let's start. Becoming a data analyst typically involves a combination of educational, technical skills, and practical experiences. Here's a roadmap to become a data analyst. Obtain a bachelor's degree. While a specific degree isn't always required, having a degree in a field such as mathematics, statistics, computer science, economics, or a related field can be beneficial and provide a solid foundation for career in data analysis. Next is gain proficiency in statistics and mathematics. Develop a strong understanding of statistical concepts, including probability, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and data visualization. Familiarize yourself with mathematical concepts such as linear algebra and calculus. Learn programming languages. Mastering programming languages commonly used, such as R or Python, is essential. These languages specially designed for data manipulation, analysis, and data visualization. SQL, structured query language, is also valuable for working with databases. Acquire knowledge of data analysis tools. Familiar yourself with various popular tools like Excel, Tableau, Power BI, or Google Data Studio. These tools can assist in data cleaning, transformation, visualization, and reporting. Understand databases and SQLs. Learn how to work with relational databases and SQL queries to extract, manipulate, and analyze the data. Understand concepts like data normalization and database designs. Develop data wrangling skills. Data is rarely in a clean and ready-to-use format. Learn how to clean, transform, and pre-process data to ensure its quality and reliability for analysis. This involves handling missing data, dealing with outliers, formatting data for analysis. Master data visualization. Learn how to create effective and meaningful visualization to communicate insights derived from data. Tools like Tableau, ggplot, or matplotlib can be used to create various charts and graphs. Another thing is expand knowledge of machine learning. Gain an understanding of basic machine learning algorithms and techniques. Learn how to apply them to solve data-related problems, to make predictions, and uncover patterns in the data. The next is build your portfolio. Create a portfolio of projects that showcase your data analysis skills. Use real-time data sets to demonstrate your ability to analyze data, draw insight, and communicate effectively. Apart from this, another important thing is to gain practical experiences. Seek internships, part-time jobs, or freelance opportunities to gain hands-on experience in data analysis. This practical experience will help you refine your skills and demonstrate your ability to apply your knowledge in real-world scenarios. Continuous learning, stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and techniques in data analysis. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences, and engage with the data analytics community. Considering pursuing advanced certifications such as analytics professional cap or industry specific certifications. Remember, this roadmap is a general guidance and specific path to become a data analyst can vary depending on your background, interests, and career goals. Continuous learning, hands-on experience are key to developing strong analysis in data analysis skill. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and subscribe if you want such more contents in future. Thank you, everyone.